It's bad. Look at that. We're gonna make it through it. Northern Cali, Southern Cali, all of California that's burning. We're gonna make it through it. Prayers to the families and salute and prayers to the firemen and women. The firemen and women, the EMTs, the teachers, the nurses. Peace and love.